Bonding between parents and babies during pregnancy. Hello everyone, welcome to Personal Transformation Channel for pregnant mothers. The topic is bonding between parents and babies during pregnancy. I am your coach, Elizabeth here. I am a writer and motherhood coach, and I coach and guide pregnant mothers to have an enjoyable and memorable pregnancy. Bonding between parents and babies during pregnancy presentation will include the following. What is bonding between parents and babies during pregnancy, or prenatal bonding? Benefits of bonding between parents and baby during pregnancy, or prenatal bonding. 10 ways to connect between parents and babies during pregnancy. What is bonding with parents and babies during pregnancy? Bonding with a baby during pregnancy refers to a process through which a pregnant mother experiences feelings and emotions of her fetus, interacts with her fetus and develops a maternal identity, that is, begin to identify herself as a mother during pregnancy. According to Dr. Gerhard Schroth, prenatal bonding provides the possibility of creating an intense bonding between mother and fetus, of being witness to the development of the fetus in the womb, and realizing the early growth of the personality. Prenatal bonding starts at around 20 weeks of pregnancy. Benefits for the bonding between parents and babies during pregnancy, or prenatal bonding. Number 1, mother and baby become a good team, experiencing less anxiety and pain. 2, there is less effort in giving birth and fewer complications. 3, the babies are curious about the world, emotionally stable, socially mature, and have complete access to their personal potential. 4, there is less sleeping during daytime, but longer and deeper sleep at night, with few awakenings, so parents suffer less from sleeping disorder. 5, babies and children are easy to communicate, and deal with them becomes completely intuitive. Babies have a lot of self-awareness and self-esteem. They are patient and understanding of their parents' intentions and needs, as well as their own. You can refer to the source for reference in the video description. Bonding with baby during pregnancy is very important, as it helps to build the connection between mother and the baby. The prenatal attachment between mother and baby facilitates the postnatal attachment. The following are the things that parents can do to bond with their babies during pregnancy. Parents can find some children's storybook or nursery rhymes to read to the baby. 5 minutes a day is a good time to start bonding with a baby through reading. Parents are cultivating the habit of reading and develop the love of reading for babies during pregnancy. It will help babies' language development in future. 2, coloring. Some pregnant mothers share that they love to color the mandala, and they feel the peace and joy in coloring. Mandala coloring is a therapeutic activity that helps you to relax and calm down. They can give a title to their mandala coloring and also write down their feelings and experience in doing the coloring. When they have finished the coloring, sign their names and write a date. They will see the progress of their coloring and experience. They can share with their babies their thoughts and feelings about their coloring during pregnancy. 3. Collage. Vision board refers to a board used to build a collage of words and pictures that represent the goals and dreams for the baby. Parents can write down their dreams for their babies, and they would like to support their babies to develop their potential in future. They also find some encouraging quotes and photos to place in their collage. They can write down their experience and share them with their babies by reading out their experience to baby in the womb. 4. Talk to the baby. Parents give a name to the baby. Address baby as an individual. Introduce the baby about the family members. Who are they? Their name, age, description, character, and hobbies. Parents let their baby know that they love the baby and they are looking forward to see him or her on the due day of delivery. In addition, parents can introduce the family routine to the baby. For example, the waking up and sleeping time, etc. It helps to prepare baby for the family routine so that baby can try to follow the routine as possible during pregnancy. 5. Sing to baby. Parents sing the nursery rhymes to baby. For example, Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star, London Bridge is falling down, I'm a little teapot, Mary has a little lamb, etc. It helps babies for speech development in the future. It helps to increase the connection and bond with baby during pregnancy. 6. Relaxation music. Babies in the womb love relaxing music and the soothing sound of water and ocean, which probably resembles the environment in the womb. Parents may select soothing music with sounds of water as background. It helps them to feel relaxed and calm. 7. Drawing. Parents draw a picture and describe the color and meaning of the drawing to baby as a special gift to baby. Parents share with the baby their thoughts and feelings about their drawing. After that, parents may write in their journals about their experience of their drawing. 8. Writing love letter to baby. Parents write a love letter to their unborn babies to express their love and wish for them. In their letters, they share with the babies on how much they love them, and they shall help their babies to develop their potential to the fullest. After they write the letters, they read it out aloud for their babies to listen to their letters. 9. Journal writing to baby. Parents write gratitude journal to their babies on thanking them to trust them in taking care of them. They may thank their babies in cooperating with them during the medical scan, writing down the areas that they are grateful for their babies. Share their feelings with babies and observe the response from their babies in the wombs. 10. Praying for unborn baby. Parents can lead a family prayer for the protection and safety of the baby and mommy during pregnancy and delivery. Pray for God's guidance and love to the family. The above 10 ways are the experience of pregnant mothers and their spouse to connect with their babies during pregnancy. The more you practice the bonding ways with babies, the better connection will be built with the babies. Find out more about the online course on prenatal bonding, Happy Moms, Healthy Babies course. Click the link in the video description. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss videos of prenatal bonding and much more. Check out the playlist of prenatal bonding, communication with babies during pregnancy, pregnancy tips and music, coping with emotion and delivery. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.